Jai Bharat, dear students. We will learn our next topic, that is creating a new folder. Okay, how to create a new folder? You can see that screenshot is given, right? And it shows arrows also, red color arrows, right? A folder can be created in a drive, another folder, or on the desktop. You can use the context menu, means using right click or toolbar or shortcut keys to create a new folder. Let us learn about these methods. Okay, so dear students, these are the directories where you want to create a folder. Then this is a working area where you can right click of your mouse, there is a new option and there is a folder. Okay, this is how new folder will get created on your screen. Okay, so we will see some methods are there to create a new folder. So first is a context menu, that is using a right click, right? So this method can be used to create a new folder using the right click of the mouse. The steps to create a new folder are, okay, I have already explained you. First of all, we will open the computer or go to the desktop if you want to create folder on desktop, right? So open the computer window, that will be the first step, right? Second step, open the location or drive or folder where you want to create a folder. आपको आपका लोकेशन सेट करना है, कौन सी जगह पे कौन से फाइल्स में आपको फोल्डर तैयार करना है, राइट? कौन से एरिया में. Now third, right click on the blank area, the context menu appears. So जो blank area you are looking on that screen, so using right click you can click on the new option, right? Fourth step, select the new option, a sub menu appears where you will select new option from that list. Okay, where here you can see that list. Then a sub menu appears, जो उसके साइड में बॉक्स ओपन हुआ है, that is called sub menu, right? Then step number 5, click on the folder option. Then the first one option is for folder. A new folder is created and appears. Then that new folder, like this you can see, like this the new folder will appear, right? Okay, next click on the folder option, a new folder is created and appears. Step number 6, type a name for the folder and press the enter key. तो ये blue color में highlight होता है, जो आप उसको delete करके you can type the folder name. आपको जो folder का नाम रखना है you can type there. Okay, so after that a new folder is created. Okay, अगर आप लोगों ने नाम change नहीं किया then it will be a new folder only, right? So that's why we have to change the name of that folder. Suppose that is my photos, okay, my art. So likewise you can make the name of that folders and you can keep your pictures in it. Understanding, children? Okay, we'll move to the next page, that is shortcut. What is the shortcut to create a new folder? Yes, to create a new folder there are the shortcut keys, that is control plus shift plus n. Okay, press this key from your keyboard, then on your screen you will get a new folder, right? Then opening a file or a folder. अभी ये file और folder open कैसे करते हैं? तो so there are some steps. The steps to open a file or folder are, कौन से steps है देखो तो. Open the location in the computer window where the file or folder is located. तो आपको पहले क्या करना है कि कंप्यूटर के कौन से स्टोरेज डिवाइस में आप लोगों ने वो फोल्डर ओपन किया है, you have to search for that, right? Then second step, place the mouse pointer on the required file or folder and double click on it. It will be open and you can view its content. So once you will select that file, you have to double click of your mouse. Okay, then that file will be open on your screen. Understanding how to open a file and folder? Yes. Now let us move. What is given? Do it yourself. ये आपको करना है. Okay, if you are having laptops or computers at home, with the help of your parent you can do this activity. First of all, create a folder in the D drive in your computer and name it my stuff. Okay. Second, open the MS Word and type few sentences about yourself. Save it with the name myself. आपको MS Word ओपन करना है, उसमें आपके मतलब write down about yourself and save that file with the name myself, okay, in the folder my stuff that you have created in the D drive. और my stuff folder में आपको myself file save करनी है, right? Then you will, after typing about yourself, after giving the name, you will close the MS Word. Then you will open the folder my stuff and you will open the file myself. Okay, myself ये word file है, आपको save करनी है my stuff में. Okay, and you have, and after closing all windows, you will open the my stuff folder again, and you will open your word file, that is myself. Understanding this activity? Okay. Now let us see the next point, that is renaming a file or folder. मतलब जो फाइल और फोल्डर का पहले से नाम है उसको आपको दूसरा नाम देना है, that is what renaming. Okay, to rename means to change the name of an existing file or folder. मतलब already ही फाइल और फोल्डर का नाम है but you want to change it with the another name. Okay, the steps to rename a file or folder are, तो कौन से स्टेप्स हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट फाइल और फोल्डर, ओके, विच यू वांट टू रीनेम इट. सो सिलेक्ट द फाइल और फोल्डर दैट हैज़ टू बी रीनेम. देन राइट क्लिक ऑन इट, अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट मेन्यू अपीयर्स. फिर फोल्डर सिलेक्ट करने के बाद यू विल राइट क्लिक ऑफ योर माउस, ओके. देन आफ्टर दैट द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस विल appear. In it you will select the rename option. Here it is, can you see? Yes, this is the rename option. Then type the new name and press enter. Suppose this is the file name, class 4, my class. So you can change it class 4, where you can type my class. So this is how you will rename the name of that file. Okay, so select the desired file or folder and press F2 function key. अगर डायरेक्टली आप लोग F2 की प्रेस करके करोगे तो भी इट विल शोज टू रीनेम दैट फाइल एंड फोल्डर. देन टाइप द नेम, न्यू नेम एंड प्रेस एंटर. दिस इज हाउ you can do the renaming for file and folder. Understanding, children? Okay. Our next point is selecting file and folder. के अगर आप लोगों को एक साथ बहुत सारे फाइल्स सिलेक्ट करने हैं या फिर एक साथ बहुत सारे फोल्डर्स सिलेक्ट करने हैं तो आप लोग कैसे करोगे? Okay, we'll see. Files or folders can be selected in different ways. Let us see these methods. कैसे सिलेक्ट करेंगे देखते हैं. First of all, select a file or folder and click on it. You have to select a file or a folder, then you have to click on it. Okay, to select adjacent or continuous files or folders, click on the first file or folder to be selected, then hold down the shift key and click on the last file and folder to be selected. अगर आप लोगों को ऐसे ये फोल्डर सिलेक्ट करने हैं या फिर फाइल सिलेक्ट करने हैं तो पहले तो वो क्लास 1 का फाइल सिलेक्ट करोगे और फिर क्या करोगे, शिफ्ट का बटन प्रेस करोगे, कंटिन्यू प्रेस करोगे. और क्लास 4 से लेके क्लास 6 तक चाहिए तो आप एरो बटन यूज़ करोगे या फिर आपके माउस के पॉइंट से डायरेक्टली ग्रेड 6 पे, क्लास 6 पे क्लिक करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये जो एरिया है वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? यस, ओके. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज टू सिलेक्ट नॉन एडजेसेंट